It is now 10 o'clock, still snowing. Slowed down a little. Not near as thick as it was coming down. Who knows when we'll actually dry out. We just did measurements, and I'll do one for you again right here. Let's see. Get this measuring tape out. Alright, let's see. So we have 7 inches on the ground. I would consider that a lot. Still no power. Over there, I guess somebody tried to drive and it looks like they might have gone in the ditch. Not too smart to move. Let's see, I got branches breaking. I'm gonna have to get out here and knock some snow off of these. It's just amazing walking in the ground. Alright, well, welcome to our winter wonderland. I am actually going to go get a stick and knock some snow off some of my trees.